welcome back to my channel. It's the weekend, guys. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so today I was like, what can we do to make the weekend fun? And I came up with this idea. How about to make custard cookies? So that's what we'll be doing in this video. Sans Pearl will also be assisting me in making these cookies. So let's jump right into the process. Welcome my assistant chef for today, Chef Pearl. Say hi.
Hi.
Say we're making custard cookies. Okay, let's get started. Now I have all my ingredients prepped here. I have my sugar, my salt, my butter, flour, custard, my whisk for mixing, and my bowl. Salt and vanilla essence are just extras. Okay guys, so now we're going to start adding our ingredients into the bowl, and my chef here will be assisting me with that. So Pearl, put the butter into the bowl. Good girl. Now you bring the sugar and add it into the bowl. Good girl. So now my chef will be mixing it. Let's do it together. We'll be mixing this until it becomes creamy. Okay guys, I think this consistency is okay. I'll be leaving a list of the ingredients in the description, so you can check the description for the list of the ingredients with the measurements. So this is what it looks like. This is what the butter and the sugar looks like. This is what it looks like. I will be adding our flour into the bowl. Now we'll add our custard into the bowl. Good girl. Now I'll be adding a pinch of salt to this. I'll also be adding vanilla essence into the mixture. We'll mix. Let's do it together so you don't pour it. Okay, so now mommy will help you do the rest. Yeah?
Now what is this another?
Don't worry, I'll give you. Yeah, let me do this one. Then you do your own.
Okay.
Sorry.
Mom, that's my mouth.
Yes, good girl. Cover your mouth.
But what is it?
We're making custard cookies.
Okay. My dad taking.
Cookies. We're making custard cookies. Custard cookies. We're making custard cookies. Guys, see how happy she is. She likes this kind of work, eh? That's what it looks like. Pearl keeps saying she wants to do it by herself. So let me let her do it for some seconds. And so I already have my lined baking tray here. I'll be scooping the batter with my 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'll be using a fork to get my shapes to look like actual cookies.
This is short. This is
Okay.
this was short. This was short.
Okay.
This was short.
Okay. And that is all. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, and now we'll be taking it into the oven to bake for 15 minutes. Our cookies are ready, and this is what they look like. So we're going to have a taste of the cookies now. Pearl, this is yours. It's so good, guys. You really need to try this. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like button and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye. Pearl, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Bye.